Intelligence is not just something that is sitting in my brain and my mind. It is also outside the brain and involves mindful application of what I know and using connections and resources that are at my disposal and doing and creating things that amplify my own individual and physical human intelligence. That is what is needed today to stay relevant in this time of artificial intelligence. Not just stay relevant, but we need to get ahead. We not only need to compete human beings today, rather we need to compete with AI if we can't beat it. Welcome, fellow human beings. I have decided to address you all as human beings because we are discussing this very interesting topic today, and that is human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. So, before we start, let me make it clear. Talking on this topic was purely an idea of my human brain. It was early morning thought, and definitely I decided to write about it, and before writing, research about it, and then definitely convey it to you and present it to you. This was all human idea. But later on, of course, I used artificial intelligence to create this lovely presentation and also to record it. So, this is a blend of human intelligence and artificial intelligence, but starting was always the idea in my mind. So, with this, let us start. Today we are exploring this fascinating topic, right? Human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. And there is a philosophical thought which is called Connectionist View of Intelligence. And we will be exploring this topic from this Connectionist framework. First of all, let us talk about what this Connectionist framework is all about, right? We all know that as humans we process information. Our brain neurons take data, recognize the patterns, interpret the meanings, make decisions, and then finally we take actions, right? And interestingly, this is not just limited to human intelligence, and today, artificial intelligence, this approach is also deeply rooted in there. Human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. How come this topic, after all, became important? So, we know that today we are facing technological innovations in all fields of life, right? So, this is happening everywhere, right? That synergies between human cognition and artificial mechanisms are becoming more and more important than ever before. That is why I thought let us talk about the topic human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. What is bothering? What is the mystery? What is the black box? And this is that human intelligence is characterized by our ability to perceive, adapt, and interact with our environment, and it is mirrored strikingly in the working of modern AI systems as well. So this is very bothering. This is very mystical thing, right? Our brains process information through intricate networks of neurons, continuously learning, evolving. Similarly, AI system also utilizes artificial neural networks to parse and learn from data, achieving remarkable feats from driving cars to diagnosing diseases. And this is what is technically called machine learning, and this is what the artificial intelligence researcher is doing. So we have to be mindful of the fact that AI researcher is actively working to surpass human intelligence. And when I say AI researcher, I mean the institutions like OpenAI that has created ChatGPT and Google DeepMind, right? So they have given it a fancy term, artificial general intelligence. But it represents a significant leap towards machines that can perform any intellectual task that a human can, maybe with greater speed, accuracy, and efficiency. So, AGI is just a fanciful term, right? But it just is aimed at surpassing the human intelligence, all of us. Call for caution now is safeguarding the human relevance in the age of AI. So let's be vigilant as AI continues to push boundaries of what is possible and do everything possible to persuade AI researcher to work in such a way that human and artificial intelligence collaborate in harmony and does not make human intelligence redundant. And we need to persuade all these AI researchers that yes, they have to make system that work in harmony with human intelligence and does not compete or rather make intelligence, human intelligence redundant. And before I can seek somebody else's help, what I need to recognize for myself, and that is intelligence is not just something that is sitting in my brain and my mind. It is also outside the brain and involves mindful application of what I know and using connections and resources that are at my disposal and doing and creating things that amplify my own individual and physical human intelligence. That is what is needed today to stay relevant in this time of artificial intelligence. Not just stay relevant, but we need to get ahead. We not only need to compete human beings today, rather we need to compete with AI if we can't beat it. So that is my final suggestion for myself that yes, I need to realize that my intelligence is something that I would like to amplify from all the connections, from all the resources that are available to me, and using what is sitting in my brain in connection with what is resource available to me and creating and doing things that would amplify my own physical and human intelligence. So this is definitely something I can do rather than just relying on artificial intelligence research. Thanks for joining and please comment and share your views in the comment section below. See you later.